Hello my friends, welcome to another of my tutorial videos about web designing. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress CMS from scratch. And if you are going to be a web designer, it's essential to know how to install any CMS on your host. So I should say that WordPress is similar to other CMSs too. And for installing WordPress on your host, we should do just some simple steps. First of all, we will go to WordPress website and download the latest version of this CMS. Then we upload our downloaded files to our host and then create a database with a user that has required privileges and then start some settings together. Just let's go. Okay guys, let's start the first step. We are going to go to WordPress website with this address. Just type this address on your browser. WordPress.org. Press enter. As you can see here in this home page, we have a button for downloading the latest version of WordPress. Press Get WordPress here. And in this page, come down, you can see the download button. Press it. Okay, we are going to download the latest version of WordPress. It's about 15.5 megabytes. In second step of WordPress installation, we should upload our downloaded files to our host. And here my host type is cPanel. After logging to your cPanel, we should go to File Manager. In Files area, in Files section, we should go to File Manager link and upload our downloaded files here. I go to Public HTML folder and then here, as you can see, there's a link for uploading our downloaded files. And here I select my files. The files that I've downloaded recently. I go to download and select WordPress 5.8.1. Okay? I wait until this bar becomes green. Okay, it's done. Now I come back to my public HTML folder. I close it. I come back here and reload this page again. Okay, as you can see, the files of WordPress are here as a zip file, and I should extract this. Okay. After right click, I select extract. Extract to this folder, public_HTML. Extract files. Okay. My zip file is extracted. I close this. Okay. I go to this folder. All required files are here for installing WordPress. But as you can see, all of my files are here in WordPress folder. And I want to move all these files to the main address of my website. So I select all and move these files to up one level. Okay, and delete WordPress to put this file on my main page of website. Okay, move files, go up one level. As you can see, I moved all these files in WordPress folder to public HTML, to public_HTML. So I don't need to this folder and I can delete this folder. skip the trash and permanently delete the files. Confirm it. Okay. It was the second step of installing WordPress. We uploaded our files to our host. Okay, let's start the third step. In this step, we should create a database and user that has all required privileges for editing database. But before starting this step, better is we check our website and see what we can see after uploading the WordPress files on our host. And just here we type the URL of our website. Here my website URL is webishmedia.com. I want to see what's here. Okay, it's the first step of installing WordPress and asks about the language. I continue with English, and here in this step shows us that we should have a database name, we should insert username and database password, and by continuing, as you can see, it's required that we insert database name, username and password. So let's come back to our cPanel area for creating a database and user too. In cPanel main page, if we come down a little, here in this section, in this database section, we have some links for editing our databases, and we have two options for creating databases, MySQL databases and MySQL database wizard. This one is easier and I can create a database. First of all, we select a name for our database. Here, for example, I choose a name db10. Okay, pay attention that our full name of our database is Webish ME underline db10, not just db10. Okay, next step, we should create a database user. For example, I select this name, user10. Password, I can use a simple password, for example, but if you are going to have a strong password, you can use this button for password generator. Okay, I choose a simple password, for example, db10 1 2 3. Here db10 1 2 3. It's a very weak password, but never mind. Create user, and here we should add to this user all privileges for creating database, for editing database, for deleting database, and press make change. Okay, so pay attention and be careful. What's the name of our database? Webish ME underline db10, and what's our user? The user of our database is Webish ME underline user 10. Okay, I can copy the name of our database here, and here I can paste it. Database name is Webish ME underline db10. What's my username? It's user10, and password. My password is db10 1 2 3 localhost. Database host, we leave it by default localhost. Okay, and asks about table prefix. by default is WP, but we can have another name, for example WP1 or 2, and submit it. As you can see, we could create a username and database with the old privileges. The third step is done. Now we start the fourth step, running the installation. In this page, asks us about site title. For example, I can insert here Webish Media, about username of admin area, admin control panel. I can use admin, for example, and password. I can use a simple password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and here I can confirm using a weak password, but if you want, you can have more strong passwords. Your email, for example, webishmedia@gmail.com. okay, and then install WordPress. My username is admin and password is 1 2 3 4 5 6, a simple password, and shows us a message that your installation of WordPress was successful. I can log in to admin panel of WordPress here by this admin password 1 2 3 4 5 6 and login. Okay, we installed the WordPress completely, and if I go to my browser and type the URL webishmedia.com, let's see what happened here. Yes, it's my first page and the home page of my website. It's done. Thank you for watching. In next tutorials, we will consider how to manage and edit our content. Thank you for watching. Just for supporting me and my channel, please subscribe my channel and support me by your likes and comments. Thank you.